Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how we can create random numbers in JavaScript. So we're gonna create random numbers between 1 and 10. So to do this I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any other code editor of your choice. I have my JS file linked in my HTML file. If you don't know how to do this, I will leave a link in the description for a video on how to do this. Alright, so in your JavaScript file we can see that I have a console.log with the string random numbers, which we can see in the inspector in the browser right here. We see random numbers, colon. Alright, so here we're gonna display the random numbers. So first I'm just gonna go and create a variable. So let random numbers equal sign, and now we're gonna add math dot random open and close parentheses, like so. Finish off with a semicolon. So to have this printed out, we need to add random numbers in the console.log. So after the string, I'm gonna add a plus sign, and I'm gonna add a variable random numbers, like so. Now we can see right here that we have random numbers between 0 and 1. If I update, we only get random numbers between 0 and 1. Alright, so we need to add the maximum number we want to have. So we want to have 10. So we're gonna go right here after math.random and open and close parentheses. We're gonna add the marker right here, and we're gonna add multiplication and 10, like so. If I now update, we can see that we get a random number 3.2, 7.8, 5.4, and so on. So we want to have whole numbers. Alright, so to do this we need to go in front of math.random, add the marker right here, and we're gonna add another math.floor, open parentheses, and the close parentheses we're gonna add after the 10 or your own number, like so. If I now update, we see that we get whole numbers 1, 7, 7, 4, and so on. The case is we're not gonna get number 10, and we will get 0 instead. So to prove this and update the browser until we get 0, we see that we get a 0. It will start with 0 and print 10 numbers. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's 10 numbers, but we want to have from 1 to 10. So to fix this, we're gonna go and add the marker after the math.floor and within this open and close parentheses. So after the closing parentheses, after your number, we're gonna add plus 1. Now if we go right here, we see random number 10, and if I update, we see 1, but we will not see 0. Alright, so this is how you can create random numbers. You can choose any number right here if you want to have between 1 and 10 or 1 or 20 and so on. Okay everyone, so if this video helped you out, subscribe and also check out my other videos. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.